Hey, how's it going? I've been working out again. I wasn't working out much at all for a month or two, but now I just did some bench press with the lightweight. Anyway, the point of today is the chainsaw. Look at this. If you do some sort of a weight training that can physically help shape your body, that's like the missing ingredient to getting abs. There's almost no way to get abs unless you get so ridiculously skinny that you could hurt yourself, unless you do weight training. So that's like the key right there. It's the easiest way to get in shape. You can eat more food, healthy foods. Okay, and you want to have gloves when you're operating a chainsaw. Heavy gloves that if anything were to happen, you got to be careful with that blade. Nothing is going to hurt you too much. Heavy jeans, boots that you're not going to get your feet hurt in, heavier clothes, eye protective gear, stuff like that. Let's go out there. Okay, there are some branches down on my driveway. These are my snowboard goggles from when I was a teenager. And this is the chainsaw, and this is my first time operating my chainsaw. I've used a chainsaw before, like 5 or 10 years ago, just I think like one day. And I'm gonna go for it. Alex is down there for safety. If anything went wrong, Al's inside. And I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna cut some stuff down. Put some stuff down. Okay. Just got it started for the first time over here. Here's a guitar I painted for my son. Polyurethane, probably for my son Rowan. Put this design on it. Coated it with polyurethane. Guitar. First time ever operating a chainsaw. Pretty amazing. I mean, my own chainsaw that I started. I technically used a chainsaw before, but it was like, just held it when I was like 27 or 29 or 30, early 30s. I was still like a boy, kind of acting young man. I was this is the first time I've actually started it up and done it. You know, man. Alex showed me how to do it last night. He's down there with his chainsaw. I'm gonna do. Hey. How's it going? I decided not to go out there to do firewood with all the other people and go out there and chop big trees down and all that. I wasn't ready for it. So I said, hey, that was enough. We did some in my lawn, and I'll let them borrow my big chainsaw to do some bigger trees or whatever they're gonna do. Okay, Alex helped me. That was it. How's it going? Oh, cool. Which one?
Salvation Army.
Not the Latter-day Saints people that came over last night? How's it going?
Is he good?
Yeah.
No, you have the right tools.
Yeah. I'm doing the chainsaw. Alex taught me last night.
Good.
We're gonna go do some chainsaw stuff.
Good.
Wow, that's a good workout, that chainsaw stuff. I can feel it already. Like different muscles, like surfing or something.
Yeah.
Surfing or skateboarding. That's what it feels like.
Good man.
So,
Is that Alex?
yeah, that's him over there. It needs more gas. I ran out of gas.
Bunch down by the crack.
Well, it needs a certain type. You have to mix it with oil.
Okay.
All right.
So did Alex come over, or did you call him? Last night, did he just come and visit, or did you give him a buzz?
We talked. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go. Yeah. Bye.